Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zahra Zain Uma with the student number PO324046 and I'm from the Basic English Indonesian Translation Class B. So here I make the video of reporting my process of translation in the translation of a book review, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Okay, let's start with the analysis phase or the phase of understanding the text. So here I found two difficulties in understanding this text. The first one is the eliminate their profound impact. I don't understand what profound is, or it sounds unfamiliar word for me. So I use the strategy by finding the meaning in the Oxford Dictionary. And in the Oxford, it shows that profound means the very great or felt or experienced very strongly. Why I use Oxford Dictionary rather than KBBI? I think it doesn't matter if you just want to understand the text. It doesn't matter you use the Indonesian website or the English website or dictionary like Oxford Dictionary until you finally understand what the meaning is. Okay, and the second one is deceitful manipulation. I was confused and I don't understand what deceitful manipulation means. Yeah, it sounds unfamiliar phrase to me. And for the strategy, I find it using AI tools called TipL, and it shows me that deceitful manipulation means manipulasi yang curang. Okay, after understanding the whole text, and then we move to the next step or transferring phase. Is the phase of moving meaning to Indonesian language. So the first transferring phase here, I write timeless classic. Actually, I know what timeless classic means, but then I was confused how to transform it into Indonesian. Because it contains evaluative language or the expressions that shows a value to a thing in the English language. And for the strategy itself, I use adaptation and I search on the Google and it shows me some websites that klasik yang tak lekang oleh waktu. And then the second one is navigating human relationship. Actually, I know what navigating human relationship is, but then again, I was confused about how to transform it into Indonesian because it contains a metaphorical expression. And for the strategy, I decided to replace it with a standard target language image. And then, before I replace, I search on the Google about navigating human relationship, and it shows me that navigating human relationships dalam bahasa Indonesia berarti menavigasi hubungan manusia atau mengelola hubungan antar manusia. The third one is eliminate their profound impact. After I know what profound impact is, I was confused how to make it natural in Indonesian because the challenge is to keep the tone of the source tag to the target language. So in this case, I use adaptation and I also search in the TipL about Carnegie's articulation and real-life examples eliminate their profound impact. And then the result is penjelasan Carnegie dan contoh-contoh nyata dalam kehidupan sehari-hari memperjelas dampak dalamnya. The next transferring phase is surface level changes. Actually, I know what surface level changes mean. It means like it's not deep or it's temporary, and yeah. But the challenge is evaluative expression again. So from that, I use Google search to search what surface level means in Indonesia, and it shows me that artinya perubahan yang dangkal atau bukan perbaikan diri yang tulus ataupun sejati. Lalu istilah ini merujuk pada upaya untuk memperbaiki diri yang hanya terlihat dari luar. So after I know, and then my strategy is paraphrasing with explicitations like yang hanya terlihat dari luar, so it make the reader more easier to understand the text. Okay, we move to another one is, however, a balanced interpretation underscores blah blah blah. So the challenge here is the interpretations because interpretasi it exists in Indonesian language, interpretasi, but then again, if I combine it with the previous sentences, it might confuse the readers in the target language and it make the question not really clear and understandable. So my strategy is adding explanation on the interpretation itself. Before that, I search on the KBBI online, Kamus Besar Bahasa Indonesia online. I search interpretasi and it shows me that interpretasi is pemberian kesan, pendapat, atau pandangan atau sudut pandang. Okay, and then next one is deceitful manipulation. After I know what deceitful manipulation is, the challenge is how to keep the tone of the source text to the target language. From this, I search on the U dictionary. I search understanding in interpersonal dynamics rather than deceitful manipulation, and the result is pemahaman dalam dinamika interpersonal, bukan manipulasi yang licik. So from that, my strategy is adaptation. Okay, we move to the next phase is restructuring phase, or the phase of producing a natural Indonesian review. The first one is the first sentence of the text. Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People is a timeless classic in the realm of self-growth. For the literal translation itself, it sounds like buku Dale Carnegie berjudul How to Win Friends and Influence People adalah karya klasik abadi dalam bidang pengembangan diri. And for my final translation, it become buku How to Win Friends and Influence People yang ditulis oleh Dale Carnegie merupakan salah satu buku klasik yang tak lekang oleh waktu dalam ranah self-growth. The reason why I decide to restructure this sentence is because changing from buku Dale Carnegie berjudul into buku How to Win Friends and Influence People yang ditulis make it sounds more engaging for Indonesian readers. And then the second reason is the borrowing the term self-growth, self-help, and self-improvement is because it's already widely used and understood in Indonesian, especially academic discourse and book review of the website. And here I found the website of Remedia and IDN Times, which is websites of Indonesia, which stated buku self-growth, buku self-improvement, so it's clearly widely used in Indonesia. And the three of this also have the similar meanings, means pengembangan diri. Move to the second one. Written in clear, engaging style, it is one of my favorite self-help books. The literal translation is, ditulis dengan gaya yang jelas dan menarik, ini adalah salah satu buku pengembangan diri favorit saya. And the final translation become, disajikan dengan gaya bahasa yang lugas dan menarik, buku ini menjadi salah satu buku self-help favorit. The reason is, this adjustment adds clarity by explicitly restating the book or buku ini to make it more understandable for the Indonesian readers, because it refers to the two previous sentence. Then the third one is Carnegie's articulation and real-life examples illuminate their profound impact. The literal translation sounds, penjelasan Carnegie dan contoh-contoh kehidupan nyata menerangi dampak mendalamnya. And my final translations become, penjelasan Carnegie yang runtut disertai contoh nyata dari kehidupan sehari-hari berhasil menunjukkan dampaknya yang mendalam dalam interaksi sosial. This restructuring add some descriptive elements such as runtut, kehidupan sehari-hari, and also interaksi sosial to enhance fluency and ensure the sentences flows naturally in Indonesian. Okay, the next one is, however, a balanced interpretation underscores blah blah blah. For the literal translation, akan tetapi interpretasi yang seimbang menggarisbawahi kekuatan kebaikan. And for the final translation become, namun jika dibaca dengan sudut pandang yang seimbang, blah blah blah. Okay, for the reason, I add conjunction jika and explanation dibaca dengan sudut pandang yang seimbang, making it more easier for Indonesian readers to understand. Because if I just put interpretasi, then it doesn't align clearly and make Indonesian readers easier to understand it. Okay, the next one is rather than deceitful manipulation. For the literal translation, alih-alih manipulasi yang menipu, and my final translation become bukan sebagai alat untuk manipulasi yang licik. Why I restructure this one is because changing the word alih-alih into bukan sebagai alat, it aligns better with Indonesian evaluative language and avoid the repetition because before this I already used the word alih-alih. So here I want to read my final translation on How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie atau karya Dale Carnegie. Buku How to Win Friends and Influence People yang ditulis oleh Dale Carnegie merupakan salah satu buku klasik yang tak lekang oleh waktu dalam ranah self-growth. Disajikan dengan gaya bahasa yang lugas dan menarik, buku ini menjadi salah satu buku self-help favorit karena menyajikan wawasan yang sangat berharga dalam mengelola dinamika hubungan antar manusia. Carnegie menyajikan serangkaian prinsip sederhana yang bertujuan untuk meningkatkan kemampuan komunikasi dan membangun hubungan yang harmonis. Ia menekankan pentingnya empati, kemampuan mendengarkan secara aktif, serta ketertarikan yang tulus terhadap orang lain sebagai fondasi utama dalam interaksi sosial. Meskipun konsep-konsep tersebut terdengar sederhana, penjelasan Carnegie yang runtut disertai contoh nyata dari kehidupan sehari-hari berhasil menunjukkan dampaknya yang mendalam dalam interaksi sosial. Meski demikian, beberapa kritikus berpendapat bahwa buku ini berpotensi mendorong manipulasi atau perubahan perilaku yang hanya terlihat dari luar, alih-alih self-improvement yang sesungguhnya. Namun, jika dibaca dengan sudut pandang yang seimbang, pesan utama buku ini justru menekankan kekuatan kebaikan, apresiasi, dan pemahaman yang lebih mendalam dalam dinamika hubungan interpersonal, bukan sebagai alat untuk manipulasi yang licik. So, that's all my report video on translation of book review. Thank you.